Let's drive through one of the largest and most prominent residential areas in Enugu State, Nigeria. Welcome to Trans-Eulu, Enugu State, Nigeria. Do you know how the name Trans-Eulu came about? Well, I'm just gonna tell you. Just ensure to watch this video till the end. Over the years, Trans-Eulu has developed into a peaceful and well-planned area known for its good road network and proximity to the city center. Trans-Eulu also hosts a mix of modern homes. You are going to see duplexes, bungalows here, and then notable schools like the Federal University of Allied Health Sciences, popularly known as the Federal School of Dental Technology. It has some churches and it's good for businesses. Notably, it provides easy access to major roads like the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, making it convenient for residents who work in different parts of the city to navigate the city properly. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. By my left here is the Federal University of Allied Health Sciences, popularly known as the Federal School of Dental Technology. Trans-Eulu remains one of the Enugu's most sought-after residential neighborhoods. Nestled across the Ekulu River, this environment is so serene and it's a well-planned community. It offers the perfect blend of comfort, security, and accessibility. Let's show you one of the new road construction projects in this axis. This is one of the 141 urban road projects that is currently ongoing here in Enugu State, Nigeria. So, as you are enjoying this new road construction, okay, it's time to let us know how the name Trans-Eulu came to be. It's simple. It's just because of its location, actually. So, the location is actually across the Ekulu River. So, that is why it is called Trans-Eulu. That is it. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, that is it. So do not forget that we have some land properties for sale here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Even close to this Trans-Eulu, which is Trans-Eulu Annex, is located Blossom Gardens Estate and some other estates around here. Do not forget that Enugu State is experiencing a lot of development currently, and if you are yet to invest in Enugu State, now is the best time, because very soon demand for houses is going to be more than the supply. So if you have your own plot of land and you cannot find a house maybe to rent, you can easily erect your own building comfortably. Or when you notice that, oh, there is high demand for building in Enugu than supply, you can actually erect a block of flat or duplex to rent out or sell, or you sell your own land to those that are ready to build at a higher rate. So now that some land properties are relatively affordable in Enugu State, I suggest you key into buying 1 or 2 plots. Call or WhatsApp me if you have any question or questions about land investment in Enugu State. Call me on 0803 743 5005. I am your land director, Loveth Ugoke. Again, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.